Okay.
So right now, as I lost my job from past to that January 1st onwards, I'm not working anyway. So right now, I want to migrate from that to something. So in that process, I came to know that as there are a lot of openings and faculty is good from past 2 to 3 classes I'm attending your demo. So I confirmed, I came to fix that I will join for this class.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay, Venkatesh, got it. Chandu, you have raised your hand. Can I know?
Actually, Rohan Garu,
Yes.
I come across this Naukri regarding this ITGC, SOX compliance roles. There
Okay.
they are asking about experience in application controls like SAP, Oracle, and MS Dynamics.
Okay.
Uh, Whether we need to be get trained under these application controls like SAP, Oracle, MS Dynamics, and ERPs.
Yes, we are getting trained, right?
Okay, you are getting us
See,
to.
like they are asking about separately application controls, or they are asking the ITGC controls for the applications.
They are asking experience in ITGC and SOX, and also they
Okay.
are asking application controls like SAP, Oracle, like they are asking. And one more thing they are asking about NIST and HIPAA. Hmm. Some good understanding of NIST. Hmm.
Sorry, can
NIST.
you?
Some NIST will be there, na? Like IS audit people will be having NIST controls.
It's a not a MIST. It is not a control. It is a MIST. It is a cyber security framework.
Hmm.
NIST. It is not a
NIST,
MIST.
NIST.
Sorry, NIST.
NIST only, NIST only.
It is a cyber security framework for the ITGC for the ITAC application controls. We will be using as a COSO and the COVID framework.
That's fine. But coming to this one, SAP Oracle, whether we'll be getting trained on these things, or whether we
Yes,
need.
yes. We will be getting trained on the SAP. So you can see the institute page like what are
Hmm.
the topics and all the things. So in
Hmm.
the previous section, in the first demo, we have discussed what are the topics we will be going to discuss.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
So
Okay.
here, like for your purpose, I will share the screen, what the topics for all the people. If any doubts in that also, we can close this today. Like from the Monday onwards, we can enter into the classes.
Hmm. One more thing, whether we are joining this class means from Monday onwards, whether we can get in touch with you through WhatsApp
Yes,
once we got joined.
yes, yes. So from the tomorrow onwards only, if you have registered, so they will be creating one WhatsApp group with me. So from the Saturday onwards only, I will be touch with you. So you can clarify with all the doubts. But they will not be asking like a huge amount. It is for the registration amount like 3K to 5K.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Uh,
Yes.
that's it. Only having this kind of audit kind of thing. Whether we need to know any kind of and one more profiles I've seen. They're asking about programming in C or SQL like that. They're asking uh, for this the same role.
Once. See, if you will be going to by company to company, right?
Yes, yes.
They will ask all the technologies.
This KPMG, they are asking the same thing. What I told now, technologies, they're asking KPMG, they are asking.
They don't know how they will be doing the auditing.
Okay. Hmm. Okay. So these are the things here. IT operations. In this out of 19, where we will be getting this SAP or telling controls?
So
SAP.
doing audit for one application, it will be the SAP.
Okay. Okay.
See, these are SOX introduction. Yesterday we have done about the SOX introduction. This ITGC today, if you have all people having any generic doubts, means I will be clearing those doubts. If it is not, there is no any doubts, we will be sorting to the ITGC. And ITGC is a nothing but it is a main chapter for us.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
What is
Fine.
the future in the is in the ITGC, and these are the controls. And for this, before to the controls, we will be going to the basic abbreviations like basic definitions. So
Hmm.
there will be the technical terms in the audit. We will be discussing about those terms. And again, next of the basic of the ITAC controls and the interview questions and the mock test and the resume preparation will be going to happen here.
Sorry to ask you, you're working for some company, na? You are using which kind
Yes.
of application, like SAP or some data? Which kind of application you're using there, like MS Dynamics or SAP or Oracle?
See, it's not a SAP, it's not an Oracle.
Okay.
Why the companies are pitching you for the only for the SAP and the Oracle means. So
Mm.
for the now the business was running on these two applications. SAP
Mm.
is a vast application.
Mm.
For the business purpose, they are having so many modules. For example, for the financial services, for the SAP, they are having one module. It is a FICO, FICO. And
Mm.
for any purchase things or they are having like purchase order PO.
Mm.
For the
Mm.
any material management or the something, so they are having the material
Okay. Mm. Okay.
goes in the piece details, please. Okay.
Okay.
So we're getting a resume, we have to keep the resume, we have to keep minimum 3 years of experience in the ITGC, no? Is it fine? For getting
Sorry.
calls? For getting calls after the course completion, we'll keep in the Naukri for resume for we have minimum 3 years of experience in the ITGC. Is it fine for getting interviews for
Yes, yes.
minimum 3 years they are asking? Somewhat maybe.
No, what you are talking, I'm not getting it.
Minimum in ITGC, for getting calls, we have to keep a minimum 3 years of experience is fine.
Yes, so if you have keep two also, it is fine. It is not a minimum of 3 years. It will be starting from the one. It will be starting. Sometimes it will be starting from zero also.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes, please.
Compared to SAP FICO and ITGC, which one is better, sir? I mean, salary wise. Actually, I done my.
Sorry, like Sudha, you're the fresher, you're the experience around, right?
No, I'm a fresher, but SAP
So,
FICO I already done by last year, sir. But
okay,
by family problems, I lost the
okay,
course, and after that,
got it.
which one
So,
is
see,
better
like
one?
comparing to the, see, for the ladies' sake, for the shop, so this is not any technical thing here.
Okay.
Okay, so there is no any technical things here. We will not be any keeping your mind, and there is no any rocket science will be happening here.
Yeah, that's it.
So when comparing to the SAP FICO, it is a purely technical, and this audit is also technical only. There is not a issue.
Okay.
So, but when comparing to the SAP FICO, but you will be getting of the more salaries, expecting more than to SAP FICO, you will be getting the more salaries in this only.
Yeah.
So
I
why
heard this.
I am saying means like instead from the previous days, we are talking about the whole business part. Okay, from the first class onwards. For the two classes,
Yeah.
what we have discussed for the business, what business for the IT organization business we are discussing
Yes, sir.
how the IT will be running. So for the how the IT projects will be running, it is not a it will be the big task for us for checking all the things.
Okay.
Sudhakar Reddy.
Yes, sir.
So today is the first you have joined, right?
Yeah, today is my first class. Yeah.
Okay, so can I know your self? Can you give your briefly about yourself? Can you explain?
Basically, I'm working on Java technologies for the last 3-4 years.
Sorry, can you repeat once again?
Yeah, currently I'm working on Java technologies for the last
Okay.
3 to 4 years. Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm interested to learn how we are going to do this auditing and everything in the companies. Yeah. That's why I want to
Okay.
join it. Yeah.
Okay, so for which technology you are saying Java?
Yeah, Java, correct. Yeah.
Java as how many years of experience?
Yeah, I have 3 to 4 in Java.
Okay, so like you have seen the first two demos of mine, or today is only the directly or joined?
No, I haven't seen our demos. I directly joined. Yeah.
Okay, fine, no problem. So I will clear your doubts. Like you were the interesting to join only, right?
Correct. Yeah, I want to know what is the duration and.
Yes, see, the duration is like we are planning has to be, it want to be closed in the 45 days.
Okay.
So before to that also, it will be getting closed.
Oh, maybe. Okay, 45 days. Okay.
Yes,
And what
it will
about the
not
fees
be.
details?
Yes. So it is a like, so the institute people is saying of the 20K, so the people will be getting of the negotiation from the institute if they have accepted. It's not in my hands. So these the information I got from them.
20K. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, and is this like one more question? Like, what are the roles of the jobs you can apply after this training?
What are the roles of job you can apply?
Yeah.
So where you can see this IT audit, you can apply to any job. There's a SOX compliance, audit compliance, and there's a IT audit. So ITGC, ITGC testing. So there are the so many roles for this. So wherever you go, so the audit will be there in the every organization. But we don't know auditing will be happening for our organization. This is the main task.
Okay.
So for the 3 to 4 years of experience, the people don't know the auditing will be getting to happen in your company. Why means
Correct.
the level, the hierarchy level, it will not be up to the managers. Who will be the placed in the managers or the below to the managers support? They will be giving the work to the auditors. So they will be providing all the things, all the work they what the things they want, they will be submitting to the auditors. On that time only the work auditing will be getting to know about to the others. Before to that, any people will you will be saying that I am doing the IT audit. What is the IT audit?
Yeah.
You are not a CA, so you have done the graduation of BE or the degree. What is the audit you are doing in the IT companies? So
Correct. Yeah.
the people will be getting shocked when you have seen this same thing. That's why in the market also they are paying up the huge salaries for us.
Yeah, that's why we are not CA people, but why you are doing the auditing in the company? Yeah, I got your point. Okay.
These are the questions we will be getting from our friends and the colleagues, not only by the others.
Yeah, got
So
it.
for this course awareness, so who will be getting aware by the friends and the referral for some people, they will be knowing of this value. Who will be
Yes.
simply directly joining, so we will listen for some time and we will escape for the next second. They don't know about this value. Why means till now it is in the outside market, it is not a that much of aware comparing to the other technologies. For example, like there is a AWS and the DevOps, it is the most aware for all the people. If anyone you
Correct.
have to ask, so I am learning of the AWS, I am learning the DevOps. I will be the AWS engineer for after 1 year. But when you have said the IT audit, they don't know anything about of this IT audit. What is IT audit? It is not responsible job for you, right? Why you are doing the audit job? But
Yeah.
it is also purely based into the one technology only. By the awareness, now it is getting more aware. Before to 1 year, 2 years, so there is no that much aware of this technology. So they are not there. In institutes also they are not keeping it till now. So many institutes don't know about this IT audit, right?
Yeah, I never seen. Yeah, correct. Yeah.
So here we will be producing like from the Monday onwards, we will be starting up the classes. So here we will be giving up all the access records to you guys. I think it is will be the lifetime access and the materials what we are discussing in the PPTs and the everything what I am showing to you. The assignment tasks are the everything I will be sharing with you guys. I will not be keeping within the 1 second. What I am
Okay.
sharing to you, I will be sharing all the things. And for like availability purpose, it is not in the Zoom call only. For next section, you want to wait for the doubts and all the things. It's not like
And
that.
also
So
the video.
there is a WhatsApp number. They will institute people will be creating the group.
Okay. So one more thing, like the
anyone
video
you can
access will
connect
be
within
given the
any time.
lifetime.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
And to materials also, it is not a database.
Mm.
So directly it will be sending to you your
They are
mail
telling
IDs and
they are
emails.
giving access for 1 year.
Sorry.
They are telling they are giving access for 1 year.
Okay,
Email.
so I will speak with them. So like it's a 1 year. See, like there is an option to extend also.
Okay.
Correctly, how they are managing, I don't know. I am the part of this faculty. I am teaching to you.
Okay.
But from the material side and the availability of my side and my number, it will be in the active for 24/7.
Okay.
If I am busy, I will reply with your messages. When you are calling directly to me, so before calling, so you can keep a message in the WhatsApp and you can call me.
Okay.
So I will give the response for all the things and what the queries you are having. So like comparing to the all institutes, like these are good thing here we are having. So you should not wait for like other next section to explain you to clarify your doubts and all those things.
Okay.
Yes, Chandu?
Sorry to interrupt you. The thing is that what is
Yes, yes.
the day-to-day life of ITGC auditor? Like we are preparing these reports for quarterly or 6 months once, right? What will be the daily routine life?
Yes.
Could you explain on this one?
Okay. So one second, Chandu. So I will explain you all the task. So I will explain it. So another guy, so who is Mantak? Mantak, can you unmute yourself?
Hi, my name is Supriti. Actually, I've joined from my husband's account.
Okay.
This is my first session. Actually, I work for
Okay.
Barclays, US Barclays in a compliance. I just wanted to understand the concept for the SOX. That's why I've joined.
Okay. Got it. It's a great to see you are in the part of the compliance and again joined into the SOX.
Because I'm in the banking side, not on this thing.
Okay. So can you briefly go on to your work, like what in the banking you will be doing?
So it's basically the AML measures and sanctions what we usually look for before any entity usually wants to transact with Barclays. What we usually do is we check for the sanctions and then AML if there is any. We are in KYC.
Okay.
So we run the checks and all like world check and all those things.
Okay. So it's a purely based into the accounts.
Yes.
Okay. So AML is nothing but you're saying like it is a application. It is a to like ML. Like what is a different?
So
So it's
I'm
a,
not in AML directly, but that is a part of my team. We have to, if we get any like sort of concerns from a client or any hits are there for a negative news or anything, we do have to, get a help from our different teams, from sanctions teams, from AML teams. So we are basically just getting the checks done.
okay. Okay. So got it. Got it. As a compliance part, like you are for the one department, you will be checking for this.
Yes,
Correct, right?
exactly. Yep, you got it.
Yes. Yes. So like okay. Thanks for the joining and thanks for introducing yourself, Sukriti.
No problem. Thank you.
So as like you are interested to join here or you're planning to somewhere?
I didn't understand. Can you
Like
repeat your
what?
question? Here,
Yes,
like what?
yes. So you are interested to join in this institute or you are planning to somewhere and
Oh no, I'm planning to join with you actually. Just wanted to see the session. Like if I'll understand the concept of SOX, I'll be interested to move forward with it. That's why I just wanted to get a little basic on that.
yes, yes, got it. So from the this is the third demo section. So we are having like from the first two demos of the we are have discussed about the SOX and the one the briefly about of the one the business how the IT organizations will be getting to run.
Mm-hmm.
So we have discussed all the things. So like up to like after the section, so you can be for the 10 minutes. So I'll be explaining up how the SOX will be working with you neatly.
Sure, definitely. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Thanks.
Yes, Chandu, please go ahead.
Yes, regarding the day-to-day life of a ITGC auditor.
Yes, yes. So I will say regarding to day-to-day life of auditor. So I think so all people from the IT only, right? IT side only, right? Except Sudha, you don't have the experience, I think. Rashid and Venkatesh and Sudhakar Reddy.
Yeah, basically, I previously I worked for an year, but I didn't have any. Only had something like that, but not fully of IT experience.
Okay, okay. So here, like I'm not asking about of the full of the IT experience. So here the mainly the question was Sindhu was asking day-to-day life of the auditor.
Yeah, day-to-day activities,
Yes, yes.
different
So
responsibilities.
before I am saying to day-to-day activities of the auditor, first you want to understand the topic of the what is the IT audit, why the people is doing the audit for the IT organizations. This is the first question you want to understand. So when we have entered into the IT organizations, how we will be doing the auditing? This is the first step we want to get into our mind. Okay, so when we have started our auditing, so what we will be doing the audit for the IT organizations? This is the blank in your mind now. So to clear this question, so we will be checking the applications for the in IT organizations. There will be the several departments and the several domains and the several technologies they will be using it. For several technologies, departments or the domains, for those we will be having the few applications. Okay, suppose if you have taken of the AWS application, okay, AWS application, it is useful for the all purposes. It is a cloud-based application for getting data, how the data is getting stored. It is a cloud-based application. So while speaking about AWS application, it will be blinking in our mind. It is a cloud-based application. What AWS will do? It is a data storage application from one application to another application. So in this example, take two applications. One is tool you can take Power BI. Another one is a AWS. It is a cloud application. Power BI, it is a tool. When we are working something, it's a dashboard. All of people, you know the Power BI, right? How many people know the Power BI?
Yeah, it's a reporting tool. Yeah.
Yes, yes. So like I want the response from all of your side. It is an it's not a
Yeah, Rohan, I have heard about Power BI, but I'm not sure what is the use of that, exact use
no
of
no
that tool.
like exactly use of tool. It is a Power BI. It is a data analysis tool. You know this means right, Rashid?
Yeah, yeah, I've heard about that, but not
Yes,
that
yes.
aware
Like
about that.
no, for example, I am asking, and for example
Oh,
purpose, I am saying that is the issue
okay.
here. We are not going deeply into the Power BI and all these things.
Okay.
So there is a one tool. We are working the something. Okay, so better to Power BI. So we will be taking one more other application like it is a Google Drive or it is a Gmail. We will be taking. So when we have sent the mail, it will be getting the stored in the somewhere. When we are sending some to other people also, it want to be stored in the somewhere. Okay, from Chandu to Venkatesh, we are sending the mail. Okay, so Chandu is sending a mail to the Venkatesh. So when the mail received, so Venkatesh will be the getting the mail response, mail notification from the Chandu. You have got the mail from the Chandu. This is happening. So Venkatesh will be getting back to his mail after the 2 years also. He want to get the same data. How it want to be getting? How it want to be get? So there will be the one backup between the Gmail. So there is another backup. It is a like we are saying it as a we are considering as a AWS application. How the backup is storing in the organizations. That is a part we want to do here. As an auditor, what we will be going to check means Chandu had sent to Venkatesh to the mail. The mail has saved or not for the 2 years or the 3 years. based on the company's organization policies, what they have set for that application, how much data they want to store for these many years, it is happening or not, how the process is getting. We will be verifying the process here. While verifying the process, we will be keeping the controls. The controls is a nothing but we'll be discussing our main topic from the Monday onwards. It is a ITGC. ITGC is a nothing but information technology general controls. The controls we will be keeping here. What the controls we will be keeping here means, suppose the same example, the mail has sent from the Chandu to the Venkatesh. So the data want to be backup for the 2 years. What is a control here? There is a one control here. It is a backup procedure control. How the backups will be doing in the company, in your organization. Why means I will be coming today. Like after the 2 years, I want the Chandu's mail. I want to give to the, I want to share to the some others, or I want to forward to the others. If there is no any proof, there is a risk in that. What risk will be having? It is a financial data. Chandu is sharing the financial data to Venkatesh. If it is a financial data, there will be the billings and the accounts, how much salary they want to pay, how much they want to get, how much they have till now they spent for any items or the any things. If there is no any recording data or backup availability, so the business will be getting loss. For the basic example, today I am teaching you the section. You will be getting the so many doubts. Up to 9 to 10, I will be with you guys. After that, we'll close the section and you don't have the recordings. If you got the doubt also, if you have the recording also, you'll be verifying from the starting to the ending. So where I have missed this point, I will be getting the recap for the same section and I will be listening and I can understand. So these much controls, like they have kept in the organization or not, we will be doing the auditing. What type of auditing we will be do, for the which thing we will be doing the auditing? We will be doing the application auditing. For the applications, we will be doing the auditing. For the databases, we will be doing the auditing. For the servers, we will be doing the auditing. Servers is nothing but they will be the one server application. We will be doing the server for that application. We will be do the audit. For that audit, how we will be doing the audit? We will be using of the one technology, that is a ITGC technology we will be using, and we will be doing the auditing. So these the single line what we will be discussing here. You can say like, for example, if you have taken the WhatsApp, your data will not be backup for the, your data is not backup for some days, like 3 to 4 days. We have lost your important messages or the personal messages and the charts. How we will suffer? You have lost your media and the messages and the some data like screenshots and the other data. How we will be getting suffered? The data will not be retrieving. We can't get back also if it is not loaded, if it is not saved. So like these issues should not be happened in the organizations. Like auditing will be, we will be doing the IT audit. Why? If it is a loss, see, it's a WhatsApp, it's a communication to me and you. If there is no any loss, we will be getting from another way. But when going to the organizations, if data is not saved, there is a business loss. We can't get the same data. We can't do the same work for more to 10 to 20 days. What we have worked again, we can't extend the same work and we can't do the 10 to 20 days again, right? So for that, the process in the organizations, they are maintaining correctly or not, as a auditors will be getting required. So anyone is having doubts here?
Will there be any team kind of people? Will be there any team or only single auditor will be doing all these things?
Sorry.
Will there be any
No,
team,
no,
sir?
there will be the team. Yes.
Group of auditors kind
Team
of thing.
will be having. Yes. Team will be having.
Okay.
So without the team, so we will not be doing anything. So there will be the team.
Mm-hmm.
So all of you people got understood or any doubts? So feel free to ask the questions. Don't hesitate yourself. Now you are the learners. It is a silly question also or any question. It might be you want to learn something other, you want to learn the new things. So please be active in the sections. So don't be the mute yourself and get confused by your own. Don't think I am not getting to understand so what they are speaking and what they are saying. And the next slide is so on the next slide. So for the day-to-day activities, what will be we will be having. So the day-to-day activities, what will be having means as an auditor, so we will be having like we will be working on the applications part, like what I have explained previously. So for the applications, we will be doing the auditing. For those applications, how we will be doing the auditing means we will be using the technology like ITGC. So the controls we will be placing, implementing to the applications, we will be checking all the things. If anything we have find out any process or the anything, we will be showing to the client as we are keeping the meeting. So we'll be keeping a client to the meeting. So these are the process you are following. So actually you have mentioned in your organization policy document, but when I have gone through these controls, like there is a different process you people are the following. So this is not a good for us. The total application will be getting damaged, spoiled, and the total project will be getting to spoiled. So like this, we will be directly attracting with the clients and we will be explaining if you have find it something any observations is a nothing but what the work, what the testing we have done here for their processes. If it is correct, we will be directly sharing the testing report with them. If it is not correct, we will be keeping call with them and we will be explaining that in your policy, in your organization policy, this is the process you have mentioned here, but your people who is not following these processes, why it is happening here. This is the observation for this audit period. So till the changing of your process, after that only I will be stating that we will be giving it as a positive report. Up to that, we will be stating it as a negative. So all the things we will be doing in the Excel, Word, and the PPT. So there is no any applications here, and we will be using of the mails and for the messaging purpose for the teams we will be using. So these are the day-to-day activities, guys. So have you understood these day-to-day activities, or you are getting confusion?
Just got it, sir.
So Rashid, Sudha, Venkatesh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir. I got.
clear.
Supriti, you have got that? I think. Any doubts, guys?
Yes, Rohan. May I know overall experience in not overall. So in the ITGC, you have experience, and may I know how many batches you trained so far? Means how many members?
Sorry?
ITGC in your experience, and how
Okay.
many batches you covered so far? And, at minimum.
See, like from this, it is a third batch. Okay.
Okay.
So almost we have separately have covered like the personally we have like 14 to 15,
Yes. Okay.
and mine is a 8 years.
Only ITGC,
Yes.
particularly in ITGC or overall experience.
No, it is a professional in ITGC.
Okay. Means you covered all the certifications. Means minimum, I heard previously there are 1 to 2 certifications are there in ITGC. Means you have to cover all the 2 to 3 certifications.
Sorry, all the.
There is I came to know that there are certifications in ITGC as well. So
See, there are a lot of certifications for the auditors.
no, particularly in ITGC what?
See, for I am the ISO certified and the CISA certified.
Okay, see, sir.
CISA,
Yes, that's right. Yeah.
Certified Information System Auditor.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Rohan.
Yes. So I will show the certifications also. I'll share my screen.
I am not asking that, but
No. Like no, I'm not showing mine certifications for your sake. How the certifications will be.
okay.
See, these are the most important certifications for us, guys. So this is a basic certification. It is a ISO. It is an international standard organizations of 27001. It is a lead auditor. ISMS is nothing but Information Security Management System. So it is another certification is a data privacy. When completing of these two basic certifications, and the next certification is the CISA, Certified Information System Auditor, and CPA is the Certified Public Accountant, and it is a Certified Information System Manager. So here for the basic certification, so when you have got the job for the 1 year, after the within the 1 year, we can complete these two certifications as much as early possible. We will be getting up the lot of stuff for this when we will be doing these two certifications. And when we have done the certifications, it will be waiting for our resume also. If you have done the CISA, for the CISA, if you have done the CISA certification, it is a more weightage to your resume.
Okay.
So these are the important certifications for us.
CPA Australia, you have done from CPA Australia, CPA. Yes.
Sorry?
US CPA or CPA Australia, CPA?
It's not a Australia, it is a certified public accountant from ISACA. So there is a ISACA. For this all certification, there will be the one ISACA, ISACA.
CPA is from ISACA. ISACA. Okay.
We will be getting all the certification from the CPA. Sorry, from the ISACA.
Okay.
So I think where you have thing for CPA, where you will be getting.
Yeah, I heard about US CPA and Australian CPA.
No, that is a different one. This is a different one.
Okay, okay.
So any doubts, guys? Any normal basic, any generic questions?
There's my last question. As you're telling that this 45 days of training is needed for that. So in that 45 days of training, we will came to know that for keeping as 3 years of 2 years of experience, is it fine for getting to crack into or somewhat we will get a really hands-on experience for entire one.
See, like
like
for
this.
this 45 days of period, right? You can keep with your resume like more than of the 10 plus years of experience. You can solve this.
Okay.
It's not a below up to like 6 to 8 also. It's more than of the 10 I'm saying. So, but the main thing, so you want to understand the get to the topics and you want to understand the internally what the organizations, how it will be working. This is the biggest task here.
Okay.
Any questions, guys? So we'll be having up the daily sections from Monday to Friday. So there will be the Saturday and Sunday, there will not be any sections.
The timing is same. Like,
Yes, yes.
daily.
They will not be changing any timing. So it's like difficult to me. So that's why we have planned this timing from 9 to 10. That's something.
Monday to Friday.
Yes.
Monday to
Sir,
Friday.
one thing, sir, like, can you check with the management team about providing the lifetime access of the videos, sir?
Okay. So you are asking to me.
Yeah, yes, sir.
See, like I will be giving the I will be checking with them. So it's a no
Yeah,
issue,
sure.
guys. Like,
Yeah.
see, within the 1 year, I think you can get the job, right?
Yeah, correct. But just for revisiting or regrowing through the videos, we are expecting more than 1 year, sir. That's the reason. Is it fine?
Okay, okay. So they will be so directly they will be speaking with you on this of the lifetime access. So there is no issue and don't bother about that access.
Okay. Yeah.
So what the main things, what I am sharing the PPTs to you in the call, you are getting it right. What the all the things we will be getting it.
Mm.
If you ask
Sir,
for the
is there
like,
any published book for reading?
sorry,
Is there any published books for reading, sir? ITGC course.
there is no any books for this. We have prepared these materials for this, so we will be sharing these materials.
Okay, you only provide them.
Ah, yes. So what I am presenting you, right? So the same thing you will be getting it.
Oh, okay.
Any other doubts, guys? So, like today we'll be discussing about all the doubts, what the queries you are having if you did not understand about the audit or the audit will be doing. I have explained clearly. If you're not getting to understand, I will be explaining one more time. Okay, so when you join the section also, like please feel free to ask the questions. If you have asked the more questions only, I will be getting to interest and I will be saying of the more topics. In the middle between, so when I am saying for the each topic, I will be saying the interview questions. Like you people want to note down the what are the interview questions, so what I am saying. So when I am saying in the class, I will be saying that it is an interview question. You want to note in your notes. I will be seeing your practical notes, what I am saying when I am teaching. So I will be explaining that. Please write in your notes. You want to keep your notes dryly tracker. I will be checking for the weekly what you are doing. It's not a simple you have joined or you have kept in the mute or in the some other works you are doing. It not will be good for us and good for you. So when you have joined for anything, not only here, when you joined anywhere also, so you want to be the keep concentrated. So while taking your fees and all the things, we will not be getting anything. So when you have people got the job, they will be satisfied. So daily we are struggling with you. So for the people, you want to be good to be settled in the life only. So that's how the main role. So be friendly in nature. So don't hesitate to ask the questions. This is the main. I think you people got it right. So what I am saying,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
and don't think like that. It is a very strict section, not like that. So when we are learning of the new things, we want to be strict for some time and we want to give the looseness for the some time. All things will be happening here by simply doing and saying something after the closing after the 1 hour. It's not my job role to hear. So there are like 8 people interested. So like from the 2 people that did not join, but don't know if we are 8 people are there. I want to see the after the 1 month of the section. So within the 1 month, we want to crack, all the persons want to crack the jobs. This is the expectation from my side. By simply paying the fee and it is not, will not be getting anything here. Any questions, guys? So any people are not getting understood about the topics of what is a IT audit still now?
Yeah, as we completed the topic, as at the same time we will get the interview questions as well, and the questions what we have to mm,
Yes, so what the questions
notes
you
as
want to
well for
write
the
and we
same.
want to prepare for those questions.
Okay, and you will do somewhat maybe the theory as well, no? That we, what you prepared previously, somewhat maybe, or after
See,
completing.
now I have explained the topic to you. So for the last 5 to 10 minutes, I will be going with the questionnaire part.
Okay.
So you want to write these questions and answers also, I'll be going to explain it. So if there's no any doubts, we will be meeting on the Monday. So we will end this section now.